Alright guys, it is time to see if we can catch us some fish in the kayak. It's hot as crap outside, and I'm going to try to throw a different assortment of things. I'm going to try this little underspin first. See if we can make us a pattern here. One thing I forgot is the most important thing was my pistol, because there's a beaver in here that I gotta get. Hopefully we won't run into any snakes, but we'll see. So I'm gonna get this little underspin here. This is a black and blue green pumpkin color. Let's see if we can get some bites. Alright, oh, we lost some. Crap. No. There's one right there at the boat, y'all. That's crazy. Got it on. Yeah. That's a big old fish right there. Huge. Big. Got one. He's not big. Oh, and he come right off. That's always fun. Don't think I'm gonna hold a fish today, y'all. What are y'all doing? Y'all, look at these cows. Get out of the pond. Stupid cows. Well, y'all, I finally got one. We got one in the boat. He's feisty. I think the other one's still over there, little guy, but it's a fish. And these cows are just being as loud as they possibly can be. I guess another one out. Y'all, I've missed like 3 nice fish, and I just realized that I've never once had the GoPro on. So yeah, I'm gonna try to catch some with the buzz bait. Swim jig, I made it myself. goodness, what was that? All right. Well, it's not very big, but it's a fish. And making a mess. And it's my first swim jig that I've made a fish. Pretty cool. There you go. Definitely not as big as some of the other ones, but you know, we'll take what we can get around here.